it does like exactly an hour and 7 minutes or something, and then it cuts off. That's why I call it a union break. Let's see. Okay. What's that?
So you're not adding?
Yeah, you're definitely not adding. If I wanted to add these, I could write that like this. Now that definitely means addition. You with me?
No.
What does that symbol mean?
Adding?
So this means addition, right? This means addition. You with me?
Two. That'd be 2 plus, that'd be 2. Because by 1 plus 2 equals 3.
Good. So -1 plus -2 would actually be -3. Now, does this have a addition sign in the middle?
No.
So it cannot be addition.
So it'd be
Because
-3.
it's multiplication. What's -1 times -2?
6.
That's 3 times 2. What's -1 times -2? What's 1 times 2? 2. And the negatives cancel. Negative times negative cancels. Cool. Yeah.
Hey, before we were about to leave on Tuesday, it was like some worksheet we were trying to hand out.
Yeah, I'm trying to get there. I got one last thing to talk about. Yeah. Don't worry. All right. So the last thing I want to talk about today, like I said, was order operations. And does anybody know, I don't have much time left, I want to at least introduce this topic. We're going to have to push this off one more time. Yeah, exactly, PEMDAS. Does anybody know the saying for it? That's what they all represent, right? Well, what's the saying? Yeah, please excuse my dumbass son. Or dear Aunt Sally. So whichever one sticks in your head, it's just a mnemonic device to remember it. The mistake that they made when they created this, they actually, was 2 ways they could have done this. That's relatively easy to say, right? PEMDAS. This is the other way they could have done this. How do you say that? PEMDAS. Right? You sound like you're drunk. They don't want everybody walking around sounding like they're drunk, so they chose this. What people say, what it looks like it wants you to do is it wants you to multiply before you divide, which is not right. They could have written it like PE and then put the M and the D in one spot, but that looks like shit. I don't want to do that. So the mistake people make is they take it to mean exactly what it looks like it means, and I can't blame you for that. So many teachers write it like this. I just wrote it like that, but I'll never write it like that again. It's definitely in parentheses first, then exponents, then either one of these as they come. Multiplication division does not get priority. It's just whichever one you see first, that's the one you do. And then addition, subtraction as it comes. So let me show you a quick example of why that's a good thing. If I had $5, but I owe somebody 11, that sucks, right? I can't pay them off. I give them what I got, and I can't get lunch. And they might break my thumbs over $6. So, but if I find a $10 bill laying on the ground, shouldn't I be happy? Yeah, I should be happy. I should be able to pay them off, have some money left over. I can at least get something. Taco Bell, if I really feel like having trouble. But the mistake people make, if you look at it like this, what does it look like you have to do? So I have to add before I subtract, and people do this. What's 11 plus 10?
21.
5 minus 21. I'm in the hole, right? 5 minus 21, that's negative 16. That's not good. I should have some money left over, right? I had $5. I owe somebody 11, but I find a $10 bill, I should be good. That's not right. And that's not what this really means. It's just people writing it down wrong. So if I instead do this, you add, subtract as it comes. What's the first thing I see? Subtraction. What's 5 minus 11?
-6.
I like it. So 5 minus 11 is negative 6. Plus 10
You got $4 left.
is 4. That matches up with what we know should happen. I should have money left over.
So with multiplying and dividing and addition and subtraction,
Exactly, it's as it comes. Now there's a lot more to it than just that little problem. Right, so that's where we're going to have to pick it up next time. And I keep pushing this off, and I'm really sorry, but next time we'll do that worksheet group work.
That's called order?
Say again?
It's just order?
It's called Order of Operations.
Order of operations.
Exactly. It's section 1.7. So considering I don't have a ton of time left, we are going to do a tour. It's going to be really, really quick. I'm basically going to go straight to the Mass Study Center and just kind of point to where the other places are, because I want to let you guys get the ad code if you want it. So kind of get your stuff gathered and just kind of gather right there. And let me kind of get in front of you guys so I can lead us all.